It is a Sunday. It is May the 29th, 2016, and the time is 1:09 a.m. I'm here at the corner of 43rd Avenue South and Dune Street in the Windy Hill section of Atlantic Beach. You can clearly hear music coming from the direction of Atlantic Beach, and I suspect from the area of 30th Avenue South, over 13 blocks away. Ending recording at 1:10 a.m. May 29, 2016. And the traffic pattern is it's requiring me to go all the way down to Ocean Boulevard first. Good. This appears to be the source of the noise at 30th. Large part of the noise seems to be coming from the stage tiki hut area of Off the Crook. Actually, the concrete slab behind Off the Crook. Ending recording at 1:25 a.m. on the Sunday, May the 29th.